What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Marcus by Goldman Sachs personal loans. Marcus by Goldman Sachs offers personal loans with competitive fixed-rate APRs ranging from 6.99% to 19.99%, loan amounts from $3,500 to $40,000, and term lengths from 36 months to 72 months. There are no obligation, late, or repayment fees, making it consumer-friendly. While the minimum credit score requirement is not disclosed, a score of at least 660 is recommended. Marcus loans are suitable for various purposes like debt consolidation, home improvement, weddings, and vacations, offering flexibility and transparency for borrowers with good credit. Now, let's take a look at some of its key features. Marcus by Goldman Sachs offers personal loans with competitive fixed-rate APRs ranging from 6.99% to 19.99%. This fixed-rate structure provides borrowers with predictability in their monthly payments, making budget easier and ensuring that interest rates remain consistent throughout the loan term. By locking in a fixed rate, borrowers can avoid fluctuations in interest rates that could impact their repayment amounts over time, offering stability and transparency in their loan terms. One significant advantage of Marcus personal loans is their fee-free structure. Borrowers do not incur obligation, late, or repayment fees when taking out or repaying their loans. This fee-free approach can save borrowers money over the life of the loan, as they do not have to worry about additional costs beyond the interest rate. By eliminating these fees, Marcus by Goldman Sachs enhances the affordability and attractiveness of their personal loan offerings, providing a transparent and cost-effective borrowing options for consumers. Marcus personal loans offer flexibility in both loan amounts and terms. Borrowers can access loan amounts ranging from $3,500 to $40,000, allowing them to borrow according to their specific financial needs. Additionally, Marcus provides term lengths ranging from 36 to 72 months, giving borrowers the option to choose a repayment period that aligns with their budget and financial goals. This flexibility in loan amounts and terms enables borrowers to tailor their personal loans to suit their individual circumstances, whether they need a smaller loan for a short-term expense or a larger loan with extended repayment period for a major investment. One unique feature of Marcus personal loan is the on-time payment reward. Borrowers who make on-time payments for 12 consecutive months are eligible to skip a month of repayment without accruing interest. This incentive not only rewards responsible repayment behavior, but also provides borrowers with a financial break when needed. By offering this reward, Marcus encourages timely repayment and responsible financial management while giving borrowers the flexibility to manage their repayment schedule effectively. The on-time payment reward adds value to the borrowing experience and motivates borrowers to maintain a positive payment history. Marcus by Goldman Sachs allows customers to make direct payment to up to 10 creditors of their choice without incurring extra fees. This feature simplifies the debt repayment process for borrowers who may have multiple creditors to pay off. By enabling direct payments, Marcus streamlines the repayment process, ensures timely payment to creditors, and helps borrowers stay organized in managing their debts. This convenience enhances the overall borrower experience and demonstrates Marcus's commitment to providing customer-centric loan services that prioritize ease of use and financial management. Now, let's take a look at some of its drawbacks. Marcus personal loans are by invitation only and require a high credit score, typically above 730 for eligibility. This exclusivity may limit access to individuals with lower credit scores who may not receive an invitation code, impacting their ability to benefit from Marcus's loan offerings. The stringent credit score requirement could pose a challenge for those seeking a personal loan but do not meet the necessary credit criteria. Marcus personal loans cannot be used for student loan refinancing, limiting their utility for individuals looking to restructure student loans payments. This restriction may deter borrowers with student loan debt from considering Marcus as a viable option for consolidating and managing their educational loans. This inability to refinance student loans through Marcus may lead borrowers to explore alternative lenders that offer this specific financial product. Marcus personal loans do not allow for individuals with less than ideal credit seeking to improve their loan terms by leveraging a cosigner's credit worthiness. The absence of a cosigner option may hinder borrowers with weaker credit profiles from accessing more favorable loan terms or securing approval for a loan. This limitation could impact individuals who rely on cosigners to strengthen their loan applications and increase their chances of approval. In summary, Marcus by Goldman Sachs offers competitive personal loans with attractive features like fixed-rate APRs, flexible terms, and fee-free structures. While beneficial for those with good credit, limitations such as high credit score requirements, ineligibility for student loan refinancing, and the lack of cosigner option may impact accessibility for some borrowers. Prospective applicants should weigh these factors against their financial needs before considering Marcus for their borrowing requirements. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.